out the driver and 39's seat trim panel. Remove the side baffles. Remove the passenger and 39's decorative panel. Take out the storage box. Pry out the console. Unscrew. Remove the decorative strips. Take out the air conditioner button board. Unscrew. Take out the air outlet bracket. Take out the screen. Take out the host adapter cable. Restore host. Start installation screen. Start pinning screen. Reinstall the air conditioner button panel. Put back the storage box. Replace the decorative panel. Replace the trim strips. Comparison before and after installation.